Welcome to this quick 5-minute yoga routine to strengthen your core, all from the comfort of your chair. Let's get started. We'll start with a few modified cat-cows. Sit tall with your hands resting on your knees. Start by exhaling and rounding your back, tucking your chin towards your chest, and drawing your abs back. Feel the stretch through your upper back and the engagement in your core as you press your hands into your knees. On your inhale, lift your chest, arch your back slightly and look up. Feel your chest and your heart open. Move with your breath. Exhale as you round your back. Inhale as you lift and open. With each exhale, draw your navel in and let your shoulders release away from your ears. Keep the movement fluid and steady. Each rep encourages more movement through your spine and strengthens your core engagement. Let's do a couple more of these reps together. Keep your breath steady and full as you feel your body warm up and your core activate. Finish with an inhale as you lift your chest, and then exhale completely. Now sit up straight, grounding through your heels and the hips. Let's move into single leg lifts. Start by lifting just your right heel, keeping your toes on the ground. Then, pull your knees up as high as you can, slowly lower back down, and straighten the leg fully in front of you. For an added challenge, float your foot just above the ground the entire time. As you lift, pull your abs in and back, engaging your core. Try not to use momentum. Better to limit your range of motion and move with control. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you hold briefly at the top. Exhale as you lower. Switch to the left side. Lift your left heel first, then bring your knee up as high as you can. Slowly lower it back down and straighten your leg fully forward. Keep the movement steady and your posture tall. Draw your navel in towards your spine to keep your core engaged. Move with your breath. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you hold at the top, and exhale as you lower. Great job. Couple more, and into the last one. Take a moment to reset, sitting tall. Now let's lift both legs together. Start by lifting just your heels. Activate your core, then lift both knees up towards your chest. Hold on to the seat or the back of the chair for balance. We'll do 6 reps here. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you hold, and exhale to lower. Each time, aim to lift your knees a little bit higher. Try and keep your movements controlled and your breath steady. Keep going. Keep breathing. For the last few reps, see if you can take your hands off the chair and reach your arms forward. This is a modified boat pose on the chair. Keep your torso upright and try not to lean back or touch the back of the chair. Let's hold at the top for an extra moment here, and on the 4th rep, we'll add a few small pulses. So tighten your core and pulse on the exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, You did it. Hug your knees into your chest and soften your back. Take a moment to breathe and relax. Now stretch your legs forward, lift your chest, and take a deep inhale. Exhale, and let everything settle. You're good to go. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.